Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Sun Energy. Today we are going to preserve by freezing all of the passion fruit that we harvested a couple days ago. And this is what I got a couple days ago. Now we do have some that are very small because of the weather. It's very cold outside, so this didn't get a chance, but we'll see what's in there. Some of them are shriveled up from the cold. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to save the seeds from the shriveled up ones for replanting. Okay, so what I'm going to do is cut them open and put all the pulp inside of here, and then take it and put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in the freezer for freezing. Freezer ready for juice. All right. They're basically all washed already, but this is how I do it. Put a little hole. It's tough, it's not soft. Cut. And I wish you can smell it. It smells really good. So I'm going to scoop it all inside of here. That's how we're going to do all of them. Put them in there. We are not going to put this in the trash. We are going to save these. Everything we're going to recycle. I'm going to actually take those. Look at how full this one is. Smells so good. Scoop it out. I should be using a spoon for this. But the knife is scraping it really good. And the seeds, I keep the seeds in these. I'll take it out when it's time to use it, or I will just blend the seeds in all together. Let's see. This one is not very full. You see that? But we were able to get some. Okay. All right. And just from those three, how full it is already. A half a cup. Just from those three. All right. Let's see how much. This one is really watery. See that? Scrape it out. All right. And you continue until you do all of them. Look at this one. A little bit. Now this one is a different color. I don't know. When I planted my passion fruit, I planted all from the same seed packet. So I don't know if they had mixed passion fruits in there, but I've had these for maybe about 3-4 years growing on the vines, and it's never given me this kind. Some of them smell like a little orangey, like these smell like it's orange tangerine, and this smells Smells like passion fruit, but it smells more. Planted at the same time, same vines. See, that one, it's giving. Not as much as some of them, but it's giving. All right, let's open this one. And look at this one. Because they're different colors, I don't separate them. To me, passion fruit is passion fruit. Okay. See how thick that outer skin is to get in? Ooh, and look at this one. Not very much, but it is given. Okay. This is a smaller one, and that's what I mean by the weather did not allow it to grow full all the way, but it's a small one, but we got it's given. Okay. Ouch. Small, but it's given. Okay. Here's another different type. And it's not as watery as the more lemony color looking one. It's a little thick. We have another one. Okay. Look at that. This was a big one, right? See how big that was? Look. So you never know what you're getting. I think one of the smaller ones gave me more than this big one. Okay. This was a big one. Didn't give us much. But we got some. Okay. We have 9 more. But we got a full 2 cups right here. Get another glass. And use a glass. Oh, this is a very big one. Look. So we got some, but okay. A small one. It's still green, but it was shrinking on the vine, so I had no choice. So let me see if I get anything in here. We got something. We got something. A small bit, but every bit counts. Small one. A small bit. Okay. Okay. This is a very small one. It's full. It's given. Full. Small but full. This this one's also green. Let's see what we get. The green one's harder to cut through. And it's full. Smells so good. Okay, this was the one that is shriveled up. If it's good, I'll take it. It seems like it's full. It is full. So I'll take it. I have plenty seeds, so I don't worry about saving the seeds. And this is the last one. I don't think it formed. I don't think it got a chance. This is what it looks like when it's not formed. All right. So let me go get another sandwich bag. I'll be right back. I brought 2 more just in case because I don't want to fill them all the way to the top. So, one, put it inside of here so we don't spill. I think this is about how much I'm going to put, and I'm going to make sure there's no air left in the bag. So, fold it over, make sure there's no air, and seal it. I'll put it in the freezer just like that. So that's one. All right. So we're able to get two. This is the second one. Hold them up. I'm gonna have to fold them back over anyway. Like a little over 2.5 cups. Very good juice. Here is one that I did a month ago and I froze. That's how it looks. Frozen, ready to make juice. Okay. So all the leftover husk that from the passion fruit, we're going to take these and we are going to dump all of it inside of my compost. So it's very healthy for the compost. This is all the eggs from the garden, the eggshells that we use. I'm going to also dump that in there, take it outside, and mix it in the compost. It's very good for the plants. Everything gets recycled here. We don't throw anything away. Anyway, I do have a surprise to show you all. I just got it in the mail yesterday. It was delivered. So we'll be right back. So I realized I needed a microphone to start doing my videos. And I researched and I saw a lot of YouTubers using the Lavalier microphone, the wireless Lavalier, which is this. I purchased mine off of Amazon. It came with 2 mics. And it's very easy to pair. All you do is you plug in the bottom piece into the phone, which is plugged into my phone right now, so I can't show you. You plug that into the phone. Then you actually turn on the mic. There's a little button back here in the back. You push it, turn it on, and as long as it's green and not blinking red, it's paired to your phone. So I actually have 2 mics paired to my phone right now, I think. But let me go ahead and turn this one off. Okay. And you can actually charge it on the side. It comes with a charger, and you can charge the both of them. It's a really good mic. Today was my first time using it, making this video, and it sounded good. So I have good reviews for it for now. We'll see. Anyway, I'll drop the link in the description in case you're interested. All right. Well, thank you all for watching Sun Energy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, and see you next time.